Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password on your Alibaba account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. If you haven't logged into your account already, hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and click on sign in to proceed forward with your social accounts or by using your credentials. Once you are logged in, if you wish to change your password, click on the account icon at the top right once again and then click on account. You will then be taken into the account page. Now from this page, underneath account security, click on change password. And now you will be asked to verify your identity by entering the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just log into your email that you used while signing up for your account and you will find the 6-digit verification code. After entering this code, click on the submit button and now you will be allowed to create your new password for your account. Type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation and now click on the submit button. After you click on the submit button, you will be told that your password has successfully been changed and now you will be required to enter your credentials in order to log back in once again. Type in your email address followed by the newly set up password that you have just created and then click on the sign in button. And now you will once again be logged in to your Alibaba account. And now you can once again enjoy your shopping. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Alibaba account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.